Welcome to our review of the Evenflo Gold Revolve Moonstone Comfortable Car Seat. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the features, benefits, and overall value of this car seat. So, without further ado, let's get started. Evenflo Gold Revolve Moonstone Comfortable Car Seat is a top-of-the-line car seat that's designed to provide superior safety and comfort for your child. It's engineered to meet or exceed all federal safety standards and is loaded with features that make it one of the most advanced car seats on the market today. The Evenflo Gold Revolve Moonstone Comfortable Car Seat features a unique 360-degree rotating seat that allows for easy access to your child from any angle. This makes it easy to get your child in and out of the car seat and also makes it easier to adjust the seat as your child grows. The car seat is also equipped with an advanced safety system that includes a steel-reinforced frame, energy-absorbing foam, and a 5-point harness that keeps your child securely strapped in place. The car seat is also designed to be comfortable for your child with multiple recline positions and a plush, removable head and body pillow. Installing the Evenflo Gold Revolve Moonstone Convertible Car Seat is easy, thanks to its unique rotating base. The car seat can be easily installed in any car with or without the base, and the base can be easily rotated to ensure that the car seat is in the correct position. The car seat also features easy-to-read level indicators that make it easy to ensure that the car seat is installed correctly. While the Evenflo Gold Revolve Moonstone Comfortable Car Seat is priced higher than many other car seats on the market, it's loaded with features that make it an excellent value for money. The car seat is built to last and is designed to grow with your child with a weight capacity of up to 65 pounds. It's also backed by Evenflo's lifetime warranty, which means that you can buy with confidence knowing that your investment is protected. In summary, the Evenflo Gold Revolve Moonstone Comfortable Car Seat is one of the best car seats on the market today. Its advanced safety features, comfortable design, and easy installation make it an excellent choice for parents who want the best for their child. While it may be priced higher than some other car seats, its value for money and lifetime warranty make it a wise investment for parents who want a car seat that will last for years to come. That's it for our review today. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.